Let's take a look at problem number 14. And I'm going to refresh your memory on the order of operations, because this kind of uses it in a roundabout way. It's not like what we're used to when we see order of operations. Let's see. Order of operations. Now we have a special way to help us remember what to do. Most people have heard of. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now, if we look at the first letter of each one of those words, it tells us exactly what to do. So the P on please says we do what's inside the parentheses, brackets, or absolute values. Now realize this does not say get rid of the parentheses or brackets or absolute value. It says do what's inside of them. Now by doing what's inside of them, you may actually get rid of them. The E on the excuse is for exponents, so you do exponents next. The M and D stand for multiplication division, so you multiply or divide as you encounter either one going from left to right. Now this does not say you go through and do all your multiplication first, then go through and do all your division. You do either one as you encounter from left to right. And the AS, add or subtract as you encounter either one going from left to right. Now this particular one doesn't matter so much. If you do go through and do all your addition, then do all your subtraction, you'll get the same answer. But multiplication, division, you have to do it as you encounter either one going from left to right. So keep those in mind, and let's work this next problem. 14. Let's see, got negative 7x plus 2, and then x plus 9 plus 4x. Okay, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Do what's inside the parentheses, brackets. So we'll do what's inside the brackets here. Well, within these brackets we have a set of parentheses, so we'll do what's inside of those parentheses. There's actually nothing to do inside of those parentheses. Those parentheses actually aren't doing anything. Normally we would have a number out in front of them, but if I were to put a number there, it'd be the invisible 1. So we take 1 times 9 and 1 times 4x. So what we end up with is x plus 9 plus 4x. My dear, multiplication division. Even though it's so easy, I mean with the invisible 1 here, we are multiplying it through. Aunt Sally, addition, subtraction. Well, inside of the brackets we can add together like terms. I got x plus 4x. That's going to give us 5x. Nothing left to do inside the brackets, so then we look at our entire problem again. So we did the please part. Excuse. There's no exponents. My dear. Multiplication and division. Well, here I have 2, and I'm going to multiply it times everything inside. Multiplication. Negative 7x just carries down. 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 9 gives us 18. There's no more multiplication division, so Aunt Sally, addition and subtraction. Well, we got like terms. Negative 7x plus 10x gives us 3x. So we got 3x plus 18, which matches B, as in Bill.